Yo, what's up? Get yourself Xpand presets for free, link in the description below. So I opened up Xpand and click on default. As you can see, we only have 29 presets. So after downloading the file, it's going to be in your downloads. Click and extract it. Open the folder. Open the readme. After you open the readme, then copy the folder, and we're gonna paste that folder inside our C drive project files. As you can see in here, we have like 29 folders. So this one is 30, so it's gonna be 30 presets. After that, you are all sorted. Go to your Xpand and then click default. It should be there at the bottom, and these are the sounds. Now the only thing to do is make dope beats.